Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Digital to Real. Today we are going to solve some of the digital electronics problems on Humming Code. These questions are being taken from the Maurice Mano book. Okay, the first problem which we are going to solve is like that. Given the 8-bit data word 01011011. Generate the 13-bit composite word for the Humming code that corrects single error and detect double errors. So the data word has been given. Now in order to have the composite word, we have to find the parity bits. And it has also been mentioned the solution should be such that it can correct single errors, but it can detect the double errors. So what we have learned so far in Humming code? We have learned that if k is the number of parity bit and n is the number of data bits in data word, then 2 raised to k minus 1 should be greater than equal to n plus k, where n is equal to number of data bits, k is equal to number of parity bits. Now n is equal to 8. We have 2 raised to k minus k is greater than equal to 8 plus 1. Okay. Now let's assume I put the value of k equal to 3. Then this comes as 5. 5 is not greater than 8 plus 1. So this condition is false. So k cannot be equal to 3. Now let's take k equal to 4. So 2 raised to k minus k is equal to 12. 12 is greater than equal to 9. So the condition is true. So k is equal to 8. Okay. And the Humming code 8 plus 4. 8 is the number of data word, the data bits in the data word. 4 is the parity bits. Total is the 12 bit of the Humming code. Now, there is another condition which has been spoken about. Here the Humming code can detect and correct a single error, but by adding another parity bit to the coded word, Humming code can correct single error and detect double errors. Here we have to detect double errors. So apart from the 4 parity bits, we need another parity bit in order to detect the double errors. So here all the 12 bits have been given 1 to 12, and then separately P13 is the parity bit. Okay, here P1, P2, P4, P8, they are the parity bits. D5, D3, D5, D6, D7, D9, D10, D11, D12. They are all the data bits. Now friends, P13, how we will evaluate the P13? P13 parity bit would be actually the XOR of all the 12 bits. Okay. This 13-bit word is now even parity. Now you understood, no? P13 would be 1 because XOR is an odd function, odd number of ones. P13 would be 1 if XOR comes as 1. And we learnt about that it is the XOR of 1 to 12 bits. Now 13-bit word is now even parity. You understood how it is even parity? Because P13 is the XOR of all the 12 bits. And XOR is an odd function. If odd number of ones are there, P13 would be 1. So if I put it in the composite word, P13 total number of ones would be even. So 13-bit word is an even parity. Now we have to calculate the value of P1, P2, P4, P8 and P13. P1 is the XOR of 3rd bit, 5th bit, 7th bit, 9th bit and 11th bit. We learned all about the P1, P2, P4, P8 in my previous Humming code videos. You can please refer to them. Now P2 is equal to XOR of 3, 6, 7, 10, 11. That is also coming as 0. P4 XOR of 5, 6, 7, 12 coming as 1. P8 is the XOR of 9, 10, 11, 12 bits. So the value it is coming as 1. So we evaluated P1, P2, P4 and P8. Now I will put it in the composite word. I have the data bits of the data word and now I got the parity bits. So see how it is. P1 is 0, P2 is 0, 0, 0. P3 is the data bit. Okay. P4 is again parity bit. You see, P4 is the parity bit which is coming as 1. And P8, that is also 1. So it is 1 and P8 is also 1. All other bits I have put from the data. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now remains the P13. P13, I evaluated it. It is the XOR of all the 12 bits. Okay. So P13 also coming as 1. Thus the composite bit, 13-bit composite word is, in order to evaluate, detect a double errors and to correct a single error is this. Hope you got the answer. This has been formed after putting P1, P2, P4, P8 and P13. Okay, in the bit length. So, in my last problem, we learnt about how to correct the single error and detect the double errors with humming code. But I would like to elaborate on this point and emphasis on few things. When 13-bit word is read from memory, okay? When the 13-bit word is read from memory, following 4 cases can occur. We learnt about evaluating P1 to P4, P1, P2, P4, P8 and P13. Now, when we read the data, what we have? We have the check bits. Check bits are what? They are the XOR of the same P1, P2, P4, P8. Apart from that, the check bits is the XOR of parity bits also. We include the parity bit. You will remember how we did C8, C4, C2, C1 when they are 4 parity bits while writing data into the memory, and when reading them back we have C8, C4, C2, C1. They are the syndrome S. Syndrome. Okay. Syndrome C. Okay. And how C8 we have evaluated? It is the XOR of 8th bit, then same 9, 10, 11, 12. You remember how we have evaluated C8? Similarly, we have evaluated C4, C2, C1, where we have included the parity bit also. You remember how we did it? So, when the 13-bit word is read from memory, following 4 cases can occur. So, what are the 4 cases? First case, when the check bit is coming at 0 and the parity bit while writing into the memory is also 0. So, no error has occurred. First condition. Where P is the parity over the entire 13-bit read and C is the evaluated check bits. What is P? If C is 0, P is 0, no error has occurred. That means how P is evaluated from the read data? It is the parity of the entire 13-bit read, and C is evaluated check bits, which we learnt in my previous videos on humming code. If C is not equal to 0 and P is equal to 1, so C is not equal to 0 and P is equal to 1, that means error occurred which can be corrected. That means an error has occurred which can be corrected. Now if C is equal to not equal to 0 and P is equal to 0, the P is the parity of all the 13 bits over all the 13 bits. If it is coming as 0, while C is not equal to 0, that means a double error has occurred which is detected. Double error has occurred which is detected but cannot be corrected, because with humming code we can correct only a single bit error, but we can detect double errors. If C is equal to 0 and P is equal to 1, you see here C is equal to 0 and P is equal to 1. That means an error has occurred in the P13 bit. So you see error where it occurred? The error has occurred in the P13 bit itself. That is why P is equal to 1 and C is equal to 0. Hope you liked the video. Hope you found the information on the humming code very informative. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I would like to resolve them. Okay. So please share the channel. Please subscribe the channel, because lot of motivation is needed from you people so that I can make even more better videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.